Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and iOS version so you know which options appear. Once done, unlock the phone and open settings, go directly to display and brightness. From here you'll access text size and display zoom, two different controls that change how content fits on screen. Make sure to keep one hand free and gestures ready. This step gets you into the right menu without delay, and it's essential because subsequent options depend on your iOS build. Now change text size first. Tap text size and slide to increase or decrease fonts. This affects apps that respect dynamic type. Next, tap display zoom and choose view. Standard keeps default layout, zoomed enlarges controls and text across the system. You'll see a preview. Use it to judge density and tappable targets. Make adjustments incrementally because large jumps can hide UI elements. These two controls together alter perceived screen size and usability. So balance readability with screen real. Finish by tapping set when display zoom is selected. The iPhone may restart to apply the UI scale. Once back, test common apps and gestures to confirm buttons and text are usable. If an app looks cramped or misaligned, go to Settings Accessibility Display and Text Size and try Reduce Motion, Larger Text, or Smart Invert as fixes. If problems persist, revert to Standard View and smaller text size. This final check ensures the change improved your experience. Otherwise, you can always undo it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.